This problem is for white to capture black stones. Just like the first question, I wouldn't really worry about white in this situation. There are one cutting point and two throw-ins. So as long as we throw in order, right? That's the most important thing. The sequence is the most important. We all know about cutting and throwing in, but what's the sequence here? And the sequence is from top to bottom. Do this first, this second, and now black cannot connect everything. This should be the optimal sequence because this creates a connect and die situation for black. So now what if black 4 connects here? Is this a ko instead? And the answer is no, because white can capture black from behind like this. White doesn't have to go through the ko, so this will be the same as the first variation. Right, so there's actually no ko. Seems like a ko. White doesn't have to play the ko. And as I mentioned, sequence is really important. Right, so if white does this throw in first, now black can connect and eliminate this throw in. This way, white will not be able to come in here. White can only play here first, and now white is too late. White cannot capture anyone because black 2 has connected a potential throw-in point. So when you're seeing many throw-in points, you have to consider the sequence. And here, you can only play here first, and this one second. So overall, this problem is not very difficult, but when you see this type of problem in real games, once again, just slow down and see what the right sequence should be. Thank you for watching.